Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be demonstrating the difference between two different electric drills, okay? The first one is a Melody Susie drill. It is very affordable, and I suggest this drill for a beginner that's just practicing it on herself or a family, just beginner stage. It's $24.99 on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description. It needs to be plugged up the entire time, and it has a forward and a reverse, and it's very simple. All you have to do is take the drill bit in and out to switch your drill bits. It's nothing else required to switch the bits, just in and out, okay? Just like that. You separate it like that, but it needs to be plugged in the entire time for it to work. Like I said, it's $24.99 on Amazon, and the speed is controlled by this dial right here. It's on the highest it goes, and you can lower it by just turning this knob. All right. Off is in the middle. If you want to do reverse or forward, it has it on the knob. $24.99. I started off using this drill. I did have to replace it in the past. I used it for about 2 years, and I replaced it 3 times. But I automatically started doing clients. So I wasn't just using this on myself. I was using this several times a day, several times a week. And I think I just wore it out. So I highly recommend for a beginner. It's very affordable, $24.99. It comes with a lot of sanding bands and a few different drill bits, okay? You can look it up on Amazon. This is beginner friendly. Perfect. The one I currently use is a Marquette, and it's one of my favorite. It's wireless. It's already charged up. I charge it maybe once every 3 days. I charge it for like about an hour or 2, and then I'm good to go. All right. So it has a little resting thing when you're not using it. It has a forward and reverse as well, and it's controlled by this knob, and it goes to 35 RMPs. All right. So unlike the Melody Susie one, you have to turn it here to remove that. If you're switching it, once you put it in, turn it back to lock. It's still very friendly. But this one is $99 on Amazon. So I would recommend this one if you are taking clients and you are earning money where it can pay for itself. You can carry it around from station to station. You do not have to keep it charged up while you're using it. The battery lasts a long time. I use it for days without charging it. It comes with sanding bands as well. I can't exactly remember how many different bits, but it came with a few. And this is my favorite one to use. You can carry it on your side. You can clip it to your side if you're using different stations, if you transfer in different stations. But however, $99, $24.99, both on Amazon. If you're a beginner, you're just doing yourself or maybe a friend, this is perfect for you. You're moving on up to clients, earning money, I recommend this one. It's going to last you longer, because this one I had to replace several times because I use it a lot. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section, and I'll be answering them periodically. But don't forget to like this video. You guys, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And that's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.